My education started at the University of Texas at Austin. I was a biochemistry major there. I then got my master's degree in Fort Worth. I then went on to get my medical training or my medical school done at Scott & White in Temple, Texas through Texas A&M. And then I came back to Fort Worth to do residency at JPS for 5 years. And then I did a fellowship in sports medicine and shoulder surgery in Baylor College of Medicine at Houston, as well as in San Antonio for 6 months. During my fellowship at the Baylor College of Medicine, Houston, they were affiliated with Texas A&M football and SEC side of football, which is kind of the end-all be-all of recent football. So I got to work with young student athletes there. Completely different patient population. The expectations are extremely high. Getting people back onto the field as immediately as possible was a very different experience for me. A lot of the time, surgery is not the right answer for that patient population, and you're trying to get them to a place where in the off season they may need surgery. So it's a lot of counseling, a lot of rehab, a lot of injections, and you're dealing with a completely different being there where some of these guys are 6'8", towering above you saying, hey, my elbow hurts, and you're just I'm this little guy looking at them like, okay, all right, how do we get you on the game on Saturday? So it was a tremendous experience just because those guys that's their life. Their life for that 4 years is being on the football team, and potentially even further. You're getting these guys potentially all the way to the NFL, and so you need them almost 100% as quickly as possible. So that afforded me the opportunity to see a different side of medicine completely. There was the younger athletes as well that were in high school that were potentially trying to get recruited into college, whether that be the high school baseball pitcher that was trying to get a scholarship somewhere. Those pitchers that we were able to do reconstructive surgery on, such as elbow surgery, was also a very different experience than my experience I'd had in Fort Worth.